Hey guys, Ivy here. Today I'm in Kyoto. This video is a hotel tour and some Kyoto scenery. The hotel is called Kyoto. It looks like an upgraded version of the traditional capsule hotel, and I like the atmosphere of the hotel. It's very Kyoto. Let's go! The hotel consists of two parts, which are the Omoya and the Hanale. There are a lot of people using the lavatory and the bathrooms in the Omoya, so I'm going to show you guys the same facilities in the Hanale. By the way, the hot water in this hotel is only available until 9 p.m. and you need to pay an extra 100 Japanese yen to use the bath towel in the hotel. The whole hotel looks clean and cozy. The only thing that worries me is that the hotel is made of a lot of wood. The whole hotel is not soundproofed. To be honest, these beautiful looking woods can even amplify the noise 3 times. I don't know if I will hear such noise all night. The price of this room tonight is 4,300 Japanese yen. This video is the start of my Kyoto series. The title I prepared for the series was actually 30,000 Japanese yen in Kyoto from Yokohama. Then something happened and this title was gone due to the following events. By the way, I traveled to Kyoto last weekend and I set out in the Typhoon. And it has cost me some troubles when I started the trip. Some troubles. The some troubles are the cheapest night bus I booked that night was cancelled due to the typhoon, and the whole transportation system is out of operation. I stayed in Yokohama all night listening to the sound of the typhoon. I can't cancel the whole trip because the hotel and the night bus for the return trip I booked cannot be cancelled. So I had to catch the earliest Shinkansen tomorrow. The Shinkansen was 2.5 times more expensive than the night bus. It's clearly over the budget, so I gave up the 30,000 Japanese yen title. The transportation system didn't recover until the afternoon of the next day. I took the Shinkansen to Kyoto that afternoon, then the Shinkansen was delayed for another 2 hours. It was already evening when I got to Kyoto. These are all small troubles in a typhoon. At least I'm safe and I got to Kyoto. Let's continue the room tour.